Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you clicked on this video and as you've seen in the title, this video is going to be about my current pants collection. Well, it's mostly like just jeans and pants. No sweatpants are going to be included in this video. I decided to pick out each individual pair from every brand that I have, like right now. So this is what we have. Doesn't seem like a lot. Well, this is a lot. It is a lot. But I have PacSun, Urban Outfitters, Forever 21, I Love Ugly, Lucky Brand, Belfield Clothing. This is Express. And then this is from the thrifting store, the thrifting site that I always tell you guys to shop on, which is Swap Consignment. I'm gonna go through like which ones are my favorite, the fitting style, just so that way you guys can get like a recommendation on which places to shop for your pants and your jeans, because I am picky with my jeans. Though they are very uncomfortable, but when you find like the perfect pair of jeans that is like comfortable for me to wear, I really do love. I would go back and I would like really like show that brand a lot of love. So yeah, we're just gonna get straight into it. So starting with the first pair, I literally just got these today. I tried them on and I got them in a 32. I wasn't really positive if they were gonna fit me right, but because I do have a big butt and my thighs are a little bit like bigger, just a little bit, like the size like 31s, they usually run a little bit tighter on my legs and then they'll like spread out, and I don't like how it just like, I don't know, it makes my leg look like a drumstick kinda. So I did opt to get the 32, and the 32 fits lovely. Like these are the jeans from PacSun, by the way, and I did an Insta story about them because when I tried them on, they feel nice. They don't feel like they're gonna be cheap. These weren't cheap actually. I got them on sale, but the regular price of them is, I believe, $42. I believe, I'm not sure, $42 or $45, but I got them on sale for $22 because they had the 70% sale markdown price. So most definitely, and you already see while I'm speaking, I'm showing an example of it. So this is definitely going to be heavily inside of my rotation. Why is it every time I start filming, everyone has to hit me up now? All of a sudden, everyone has something to say. So for the next pair, these actually are not men's jeans. These were women's jeans, but I decided I tell you guys about them all the time because they are one of my favorite. Don't wear them that often, but I do wear them fairly enough. I decided to pull they were like flared at the bottom, so I just took that fabric out. This was the remainder of the fabric. I did a half-ass job, but I kind of feel like if I take this apart and redo it again, I know that I'm gonna ruin them. So I'm just gonna leave them exactly like this. But I took out that flared part and I just sewed them up, and they fit perfectly for me to get in and out of them, because sometimes when you sew jeans like yourself, you don't typically measure enough for your foot to get in and out of the jean, but this is the perfect amount of room and it's pretty much the same as the other ones. So these have become my favorites, and this is from Urban Outfitters, from the BDG brand. And their jeans are like, they're around the same price as PacSun, but this BDG brand is so worth it for you to be spending your money, because it's not like the material is cheap, nor is it gonna like go in the washing machine and wash and then it shrinks, you know? It doesn't. These usually when I wash them, they are a little bit more like just a little bit form-fitting in the beginning, but then like probably like 2 wears after that, they go back to the normal way that they are, versus like other cheap alternatives where you wash them and they shrink and they stay like that, you know? So definitely do invest in this brand that is in Urban Outfitters, and usually they are always on sale, because I seen that they had the corduroy pants on sale for I believe maybe $30, and that's definitely a steal, and they have them in numerous amount of colors. The next one that I'm going to talk about is these pants from Forever 21, And at first, I was a little bit skeptical about them because I don't really like straight. Like, I just started liking straight leg pants again. But these are definitely something that was a hit. As I tell you guys all the time, Forever 21 shopping on there is definitely hit or miss. So you have to be careful of what you're investing your money in on there. And definitely, there's a lot of stuff that I didn't show you guys that were just like misses. And I gifted that stuff away for Christmas. So this is one of the things that I ended up liking. I didn't know if I was until I wore them, and I just loved the quality of the material. I do not remember the price of them because I did get them on during the Black Friday sales and the Cyber Monday sales. So yeah, these definitely do fit amazing, and I do like the quality of them. I did not do a wash test on them yet, but yeah, for now they're pretty good. I try to wear them as often, but most definitely a good pair. So you know, these are one of my favorite pair of pants. The quality of these are impeccable. These pants from, I keep saying these. I feel like in my head I just keep saying that and I can't form a correct sentence. So these pants are from I Love Ugly, and these have been my favorite since I've gotten them. Like, I can't even explain it, like the fitting of these pants. They're just amazing. I really do love them. They're very comfortable. They're not like hard or rough. They look like boxy, but they're really not. You touch it, it's a really, really strong material. You can just tell that it's really, really good and durable. And it's definitely something that I will keep for a really, really long time. So these are definitely going to stay inside of my rotation. Are these cargo pants from Lucky Brand. I did a collaboration with them and they kindly gifted me these. So most of these items are gifted. These, I'm really glad that I did get these and I picked them out, because I don't know, I didn't have any like cargo pants, and I haven't worn cargo pants in a long time. I had like a weird phase with them, but these are perfect. Like, these are really, really perfect. The material of them are amazing. I can't even, it's like you get what you pay for, basically. So for $100 pair of pants, once again, you know the quality is going to be there and you get what you pay for. The next pair of pants, these are some black acid washed jeans from Belfield Clothing. I did a collaboration with them, and these pants most definitely are different from what I usually wear. I kind of figured they were going to be a little bit like more straight legged than just like a regular fit. And I was like, okay, I like to test like how I can dress certain things, but I used to do that often with like random pieces and my closet would just look a mess. So now I decided that I would do this with pieces that I can put into my own personal style without it just looking like it's just out there kind of piece. And I was like, okay, well, I can dress these up in many different ways. I really, really do love these jeans. I do wear them often and they are very comfortable. They're not uncomfortable. I do not know the price of them once again, but most definitely a pair of jeans that you should invest in. So for the next pair is a store that's pretty much underrated. A lot of people don't typically want to shop there because I guess they just see, like, they consider it as formal wear. But places like that are the best places to get like your khaki pants or like just your regular dress pants, because since everyone is into like the minimalistic, classy streetwear kind of looks, these are the, like, I wore these once for my collaboration and I do plan on wearing them more because I'm maybe gonna pick up some more stuff just so that way I can have to wear with this as well, though I do have enough in my closet. But these pants are really comfortable. They are really, really comfortable. I don't know like what it is. They're really soft. They're really comfortable. I washed them once. Saying literally nothing different about them. Actually, they even still have like the folding inside of it. I don't really have any words for these. And do not sleep on Express because they do have some really, really good sales on there. So you definitely can find a lot of other alternatives on there if this is not your kind of vibe. So for the last pair of pants, it is going to be one of my favorite trousers, and a lot of people have been asking me about them, and it's like a high demand. And these are these gray khaki. Why do I keep trying to say khaki? These gray slacks from the online thrifting store that I collaborated with, Swap Consignment. Now, a lot of people, when they ask me about these pants, and I do tell them, I'm sure they do not go on side of the site and try to look for these pants, and they do have, it's so affordable. Like, I think these pants only were like $3 or something like that. And a lot of people, y'all keep asking me about this, and y'all don't take advantage of that site. That site has so many different things on there, such as like hoodies, vintage hoodies, crew necks, t-shirts, sweatpants, slacks, blazers, dress pants, bags, all of that on there, and it's so affordable. So most definitely. So when I do tell you guys that I do have something from Swap Consignment, it is worth it. So hopefully you guys did find this video useful, and it can give you an idea of like what I have from like my favorite pants collection, and maybe you can be inspired and wanted to pick up some of these, or going to get other alternatives. You wanted an idea of like sizing and stuff like that. So don't forget to go down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button as well. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Guys, I have a podcast as well. I have all of the links down below. It is available on both Apple and Android. So Spotify, Apple Podcasts, all of that goodness. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next upload. Later, guys.